everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mackenzie, and this is Sorority Recruitment 101, the only channel dedicated to answering the questions you may have about what it's like to be in a sorority in college and what it's like to go through sorority recruitment at a big university. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be talking about the rounds of recruitment, what they are, and what you should expect to talk about each round. But before I get into any of that, as always, make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. In my videos, I tell you tips and tricks for sorority recruitment that you need to know, and I also talk about my experience being in a sorority at the University of Alabama. Also, if you want to join our Sorority Recruitment 101 family, definitely follow us on all of our social media, which I will link in the description box below. Alright, so let's get right into recruitment. At most universities, sorority recruitment is a week long and typically consists of 4 different rounds. These rounds include open house, philanthropy, sisterhood, and preference. It's split up into rounds because basically each round you learn something new about each sorority. And based on what you're learning is what you talk about. It is different every single round, but there are some consistencies that you'll talk about throughout the entire week. These consistencies include your name, major, where you're from, what you did over the summer, and what you're looking forward to in college. You will get asked these questions throughout the entire week of recruitment, so be ready to repeat yourself a lot. The first round of recruitment is known as open house, ice water, or ice water teas. I'm going to refer to it as open house in my video just because that's what we call it at Alabama. But this is the first round of recruitment, and it's basically just the introduction party, meaning that the consistencies I talked about before is what you'll be talking about all day in every single house this round. During this round, you actually get to go to every sorority on campus, which is really cool because you get to see all of the houses and meet all different kinds of people. During this round, you might not learn many details about the sororities. It's really there for you to just meet people and get an introduction to how the rest of the week is going to go. The second round of recruitment is called philanthropy, and this is when you start getting into the details of every chapter. This is such a fun round because you're dressed more casually, and also the girls in the houses are dressed up to match the theme of their philanthropy day. During this round, you'll learn about their community service on the local level and the national level. A lot of the time, sororities have a local philanthropy in the town where your university resides, and they also have a national philanthropy that they raise money for every year. For us Chios at Alabama, our local philanthropy was the Boys and Girls Club, and our national philanthropy was the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I loved both of our philanthropies just because I love working with kids, and with both organizations we worked with, we saw our fundraising going into effect, and we saw how much we were helping these kids, and it was so rewarding. During this round, a lot of sororities will perform songs to teach you about their philanthropy. They'll also have their philanthropy director speak and tell you about events throughout the year that help them raise money for their philanthropies. During this round, you should expect to talk about all of the consistencies I mentioned earlier, and also about the community service you've done throughout your childhood. My advice for you guys this round is really to ask questions about their philanthropy and really listen to what they do to raise money for them every year and what events they have to see if it's something that you want to be a part of. The third round of recruitment is sisterhood, and this is really when you learn about the personality and the vibe of every sorority on your campus. You guys going through recruitment are typically a little more dressed up this round, but the girls in the houses still have really fun outfits on to match the theme of their sisterhood day. Normally, sororities have videos this round telling you about their involvement and achievements on campus. These videos will tell you how involved they are, what leadership positions they hold, fun facts about the girls in the chapters, and also about their academic career. To be completely honest, it's basically a day for sororities to show off how good they are and why you should be a member of their chapter. On top of the videos, sororities will also perform songs, dances, or skits to again just show you the personality of their chapter. Some things you might talk about this round is again all the consistencies, but also what you look for in a friend, what you like to do with your friends, and what you're looking for in a sorority. This is a great round for you to ask questions about their sisterhood so you can learn more and see if it's a good fit for you. The final round of recruitment is called preference, and it is the most serious day of recruitment. A lot of actives will give speeches this round talking about how much the sorority means to them, why they love it so much, and how it has changed their life. It tends to be kind of an emotional day, especially for the seniors, because it gives them a day to reflect on the past 4 years being in their sorority. This is their last chance to convince you guys why you should be a member of their chapter, and they'll ask if you have any remaining questions since it's the end of the week. During this round, the active members might actually talk more than you just because they're trying to convince you on why their chapter is the best one to join and why they want you to be a member of their sorority. So sit back and take it all in, but also feel free to ask questions if you have them. This is the last round, so you need to get all of your questions answered. They'll basically just talk to you about how your week went, ask you what you're looking for in a sorority, and what you're looking for your sorority to do for you throughout your college career. It can be a very serious day, so just sit back, take in all of the information so you can make the best decision for yourself. Recruitment is a long week, but it's so much fun, and I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. Alright, you guys, so that is my video talking about the 4 rounds of recruitment and what you should expect expect to talk about each round. I hope this video gave you a little bit of insight on what to expect throughout the week and how the week of recruitment is going to go. As always, make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video, and make sure you get one of our sorority recruitment survival kits. They're going fast, so if you want to get yours, make sure you head to our website, sratrecruitment101.com/shop, and I will also put that in the description box below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.